this is Lennon from TRPL Gaming, or TRPL Think, and today I'm going to be starting my Road to Photoshop Pro series. Now, this is going to be a simple and effective tutorial today about the simple tools and the main tools that you're going to want to be using when using your Photoshop C6 Extended. So, as you can see, I bought the program. Now, once you've downloaded this program, you're just going to open it up and simply wait for it to open up. So as you can see, I have this open. It should, when you first boot it up, it should standard come like this with this selected and in this perfect layout. Now, what you're going to do is you just want to go Command N, and then that will open up a new canvas. You can set the width size in pixels, inches, centimeters, millimeters, points, picas, or columns. Resolution, you're going to want to leave it at 72 usually, depending on what you're working on, but the more advanced you get, the more you can mess around with these different things. You can use different presets, but right now I've got it so it's on my MacBook Pro display, which is a 13.3 inch display, which is 1280 by 800. So I just quickly open that up. Now I'm just going to show you the brush tool. Now what this tool does is you can choose what brush you're using. So here you can change the size, and here you can change what brush you're actually using, the opacity of it, and the flow of it. So you can change this to 100%, and that's what it looks like. So this is the move tool. Now with this tool, you can move parts of a layer around with this move tool. Rectangular selection tool allows you to select part of what you've just done. And you can, with this tool, once you've selected it, you'll get the army ants or marching ants. Then you can hit V, or the shortcut for the move tool, or click it, and you'll be able to cut. It'll automatically cut it and move it around. So I could change it to be like this if I wanted to. And then to deselect this, I do Command D or Control D if you're on a PC. Here is the Lasso Tool, which allows you to free select whatever you want in the image. So I just drew that shape, and then it should automatically cut that area that I selected. And I'll be able to move it once again. And as I told you, to deselect the marching ants, you can press Command D, and that should get rid of it. This is the quick selection tool. Automatically it comes on the quick selection tool. And here you can it allows you to quickly select parts of it with using color analysis. Once again, you can do Command D to deselect it. Now, with all these selection tools, you can do the exact same thing, whereas when it comes with moving it and stuff like that, you can still do that without worrying about which one it is. You can use the brush tool, which is pretty self-explanatory. Under here, you can change the size, opacity, and flow. Sorry, my Photoshop just froze a bit, but as you can see, it just messed up there, but it's a pretty flawless program besides that. You can use the clone stamp tool, where you can, if I select a different brush, say like this, I can hold Option and I can take this color and paint it on, and that's the brush tool. So what you do is you can, if you're painting in a different color, so let's say green, this ugly green, you can put the opacity to 100% so you guys can see it, and I'll be painting with it. And then maybe I want to suddenly switch to blue, but I don't have it on my color palette, and I want this exact blue. I hold Option, click, and as you can see on the bottom half, it shows the old, and on the top half, it shows the new. And basically, all it does is that just selects the color, and then I'm back with painting with blue. Now, if I want green again, I can go green. Another hint with this is, besides having to click here and switch it, you can press X, and it'll switch it. Now, all of these also have a hotkey. For example, V is for the move tool, and I'm not 100% sure about the rest. I'm pretty sure B is for the brush tool. And yeah, everybody, that's my simple tutorial on the real basic tools in your toolbar that you really want to learn. I'll be hopefully coming out with the second episode on Tutorial Tuesday. Thank you, everybody. Have a good day. Love you all. Bye.